In this module, we are going to talk about the role of electronic media. Electronic media is comprised of communication sector that includes telecommunication networks, internet technology, radio, television, other interlinked network technology. Electronic media plays significant role in accelerating globalization processes because that media integrates the people who are living in the far flung areas of the world. Electronic media is considered to be an integral part of globalization, as many theorists claim that globalization is not possible without media because media complements all the traits of globalization: transfer of ideas and culture from the developed world to the third world countries, homogenization of consumerist culture that comes through advertisement, and those advertisements dictate the people that you suppose to use that product. That is why it is considered that capitalist society is against the democratic norms and values because it confines the thinking of an individual through those advertisements and marketing procedures. Alteration of indigenous values. Well, when those advertisements are going on, so it definitely intervenes and make an impact on the local value. Flow of information in multiple directions across the borders, global reach of media, increased importance of global information. Flow of global information affects the lives of millions of people living in different regions and countries. Impact on nation states. Obviously, when people are traveling abroad and participating in different conferences and seminars and cross cultural exchange happens, it is happening only because of this process of globalization. The six media giants in 2020. The six major companies own approximately 95% of all the media. The media is dominated by the following companies: AT&T, it has brought Time Warner. AT&T has bought the Time Warner, another company, media company. CBS, Comcast, Disney, News Corp, it is a parent company of Fox News, and Viacom. Very popular broadcasting companies or media companies, especially in the United States of America. Now, look at this how all these companies are working and interconnected with each other, and what is their share while they are interacting at international level. CBS $14.1 billion, Disney $17.2 billion, NBC $16.9 billion. This is how it's working. If we see that how the following examples shows the influence of media and globalization. The incident of 9/11 in America, how it attacked the World Trade Center and the defense security hub of the United States, that is Pentagon was attacked. So that really shook the whole world. Huge coverage of the event by international media, that 9/11 incident exposed that one individual, Osama bin Laden, residing in Afghanistan, made guilty of or for the attacks. Media shaped the opinion of international audience to support the war on terrorism that later proved a war for terrorism owing to its consequences and owing to the brutalities and violence that was put upon the individuals, innocent individuals of Iraq and Afghanistan. So that war proved a war for terrorism instead of a war against terrorism or war on terrorism.